Weather.
We've got a very active weather pattern on the way for us, and it's starting today. You can see just how active everything looks over the Pacific Ocean right now. But in our area, we've got a warm front that's moving in, and some of these showers are already gaining steam as they're coming off the Oahes, so we can start to expect those strong showers to move in. We could also see some lightning and some small hail associated with these storms as we continue to go into the evening hours. So just be aware if you're going to be stepping outside. Here's how one model predicts that moisture to make its way on in. You can see continuing around 7:30 and in the late night hours, gaining strength at times. Meanwhile, in the mountains, we're expecting a wet snow to be falling in the overnight hours, so we're waking up to a fresh couple inches. And this moisture, as I said, it's going to be really active pattern for us, so it continues into Monday. We're going to see some rain showers in the valleys and a similar pattern where those showers pick up steam in the afternoon hours once we get the daytime heating going. And then again, more snow expected in some of those mountain spots. And you guessed it, Monday night, more moisture starting to make its way in with another front, and it's a pretty consistent pattern also going into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. But there's a couple things that I want to point out with this particular system. Those snow levels are pretty high right now because the air is a little bit warmer. So that means for today, those snow levels are between 4,500 and 6,000 feet, and then they're going to get even higher to 5,000 to 7,000 feet. So this means we're going to be seeing wet snow and possibility of low elevation melting. So we could see potentially a little bit of some flooding as we go to the later parts of the week with all this wet snow and warmer temperatures. So here's the key with these high elevation snow amounts. Areas above 6,500 feet or below 6,500 feet may be seeing that wet snow or maybe even rain at times. And these are the few areas that are above 6,500 feet. So you can see it includes a lot of our mountain communities with that. So let's talk about those snow totals. And full disclosure, we could see these change as we go into the later part of the week, but definitely for tomorrow, we're going to be waking up to a couple fresh inches of snow. And you can see by Monday night, not a lot of changes through the day on Monday, but then Tuesday morning, we wake up to a couple more inches. And then Tuesday's where we really start to gain steam and see that increase where we're talking about now double-digit totals for those mountain locations, even more as we go into Wednesday. And this was a change in our model data just from yesterday because now models are predicting that we're going to see a direct hit with an atmospheric river as that moisture is rerouted into our area. So if that changes, then we will be seeing either lower totals or higher totals depending on how that moisture works its way on in. So that's what we're looking at for the week. I know it's very busy, but tomorrow, again, for mainly those valley locations, we're going to be talking about rain. Mountain locations, we're talking about a little bit of that wet snow. In lower elevations like Fairfield, that's going to be a rain-snow mix. Again, wet snow over in the west central mountains, especially including McCall. Valley locations, we're talking about those rain showers. And we also have the potential to see some of those get a little bit stronger once we get the afternoon heating going. And you'll see just how active everything looks in your 7-day forecast. But we do get a break on Thursday and things staying a little bit drier on Friday. And then Saturday, we see, again, some more dry conditions before we see another pattern change on Sunday.